Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jeff Seaman, and this is a channel specifically for people who take my classes. I teach college courses, and I started creating the videos about 3 years ago, and it was just mainly for a reference for students to be able to go back on what I talked about in class. So usually in class consists of a lecture and a lab, so it was a way for them to reference stuff. And so I've actually picked up gears recently. I've been making a lot of videos for my courses, still consistently with referencing videos, but also for my online courses allows students to be able to watch videos and interact as best as possible versus giving them a PowerPoint and saying here, or a document here, go at it, which to me is, I'm not doing them any justice, and I feel that I need to, give them the best presentation for their money. So I want them to learn something the best way as possible. So if you catch up on YouTube and you're on my channel and you learn something from it, from something that you're trying to figure out, my channel is a mixed bag of nuts, I like to say. So I have software development for mainly Java. So I have a mixed information with Java on there. It teaches you how to develop within a console I use Eclipse in my videos. I teach about in a more intermediate presence with Java. I teach about how to create a form application utilizing ScreenFlow. It's another tool. It's not written by Oracle, but it allows you to create a form by using point and click and drag and drop type of features. It's a great tool to use. Not ScreenFlow. I forget the name of it off the top of my head, but it is a great tool. Then I have a class on iOS development using C programming, Objective-C. I have videos which I'm completing currently right now, which is an Android Studio class. It's more or less from a beginner to intermediate. So there are videos on how to create basic apps, but more recently we're getting into NoSQL. We've gotten into web services. We're going to start getting into cloud-based videos and so forth. So it's almost to the end. It's almost completed, but there are still a lot of things to cover. In addition, my videos, actually, let me pull up some of the videos here. Some of the videos are Android Studio. Let's see what else is there. Here, I have videos on Android development. This is not completely completed, but let me pause it starts with here, and I'll walk you through on how to install stuff. As you see, we have different modules that we go through. Some are short, some are very long. So we have a whole series on that. I'll have a series on 29 videos on iOS development. That's using Objective-C. I have videos on Python. So I teach you basic Python. And then there's videos on Kinter development within Python. I have a list of different Java. I've tried to categorize these the best I could. I have a list of Java development using JavaFX. I have more Android development, which is these are a la carte with the older technology Android. I have more in-depth videos on Java development, and then I talk about source code repository. I have videos on TFS, Team Foundation Server. I have videos on Git, which is more recently. Then I have some other videos that I haven't categorized or are still sitting out there, which is Android. I'll be adding some more videos on a class I'll be teaching in the spring, which will be it'll be using Apache Cordova. So I'll be teaching how to write mobile applications using Apache Cordova, which is also it's a way to use software with an HTML, JavaScript, and produce an output for both the Android and the iOS, which are the more up and going applications at this time. And so there's a ton of different things I have on here. And I have some lecture videos out here as well. So I have a lot of stuff to offer. These are all free. There's no charge to them. Like I said, these pretty much apply to all my classes that I take or that I teach. So these are more specific to that section. But happy to help out if you have a question on something that I did and you're curious about how it works. Get back to me and I'll respond as soon as possible. And welcome to my video, and I hope you enjoy it. And thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye. Bye.